All right, here's the Zarker J45S. There's our key. And if you'll notice, you probably won't see it, but basically this first cut on the first disc isn't zero cut, so I'm gonna have to tension on the back. I'm sure you could tension on one of these other zero cuts, but this is my first disc detainer pick, and yeah, it took me a while to kind of figure this out and watch a lot of videos and understand what all I had to do with that. So, first things first, get everything set clockwise. Looks good. Use my Sparrows tool here. And we'll just go ahead and get right in here. Send it all the way to the back. Make sure I'm tensioning disc 1. My tool moves freely. Okay. Find disc in the back, the most rearmost. And it feels like it's in a gate. Go to the next. Is binding. Got a click out of him. Go to the next, which feels like it's in a gate. One more. Little click out of that one. And another click out of the next one. And I don't know if you saw that rotation on the core. So let's go all the way, find our way back to the beginning. Okay, there it is. Now I'm gonna use the pick head to apply my clockwise tension. And then to pick disc 1, I'm going to actually counter rotate the tool itself. Oh no. I must have slipped off. All right, let's try again. This is real-time shit right here. Oh. Okay, I did have it open. I knew I had it. I didn't know what happened there. Well, I wonder what if I just didn't turn. I felt that click when I was turning the tool in, but let's do it again just for fun. Okay, there's our key working. Locked up. Set everything back. Make sure all those discs are rotated clockwise. Let's see if I can get my camera to focus a little bit better here. There we go. All right. Got my tool extended, gonna send it right to the back. Get on frontmost disc there. All right. It's a whole new learning curve for me here. Okay. Disc 1 seems to be binding, might be in a gate. And I'm having trouble moving past him. Okay, there's disc 2. Click out of him. Disc 3 feels like it is in a gate. Disc 4, gotta click out of him. Disc 5, click out of him and movement on the core. So let's get all the way to the back. There's disc 1. So we're gonna, again, once we're settled on disc 1, I wanna make sure I'm nice and solid on him. Where is he? There. And get a good solid set on him with clockwise rotation. And then using the tool itself, start spinning back. And did I not get him? Huh. Yeah, we're still locked up. All right, I'm gonna do this without talking because sometimes I just focus on the game here. All right, pin 1. Nothing. Two, I'll click. Nothing. Got him. Oh my goodness. Still learning this stuff. That's a really interesting concept. I like it.